Well, today everybody, we're going to be fishing down here in this little ditch, trying to catch something with a 3-4 weight Okuma 7-foot fly rod with the vintage reel on it. And we're out on the bike today, just making some travels. So let's just see if we can get onto something today, using some dry dropper techniques here in this shallow water. So we got tied on to some kind of homemade large beetle kind of thing. Behind it a little, I think it's a red fox or something like that. Anyways, we're gonna start working over here right in the back of this section where it's just starting to calm out. Hopefully there'll be something sitting in amongst all them rocks that's hungry. Got it. Good fish. Good fish there. Come here, little buddy. And in the net. Nice. That's a beauty right there. That's what it took, was that weird looking beetle hopper thing. Man, that's a beautiful rainbow. Let's see. 6 and just shy of 6. 11 and a half. Easy. Easy now. Easy. Hey. Okay, you want a 2-hand job, okay? Look at that beautiful fish. Nice female rainbow. See if we can find another one now that the water's kind of warmed up in the ditch. Another nice trout. That one was on the dropper. Off the hook. Easy little devil. Woo. Just gonna let it go. Maybe 6-8 inches long. That water's warm. These fish need a break. Well, thank you guys for watching. It's been a kind of an adventure down here. Been interrupted by people so many times because it's a heavily pedestrian area, but the fishing's been good, kind of in between. Whole bunch of stuff up by the noisy little spillway, but only a couple that were willing to come up and take the dry, and one of them was my homemade dry fly and the other one was an elk hair caddis. I just seen another fish surface down there. I might go try again real quick. So thank you guys for watching, liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.